The sun is directly in my face. I think we're gonna record my intro inside. How's it going, everyone? My name is Angelo, and for those of you who don't know, this channel is all about spray painting, and today I have another Marvel superhero for you guys. Today I'm going to be making Ant-Man, and for those of you who do not know what Ant-Man is, you've been living under a rock you've been living under an This little munchkin is bothering me, so I'm just gonna have her in my lap right here. For the sake of the people who do not know Ant-Man, I'm just gonna go ahead and explain it to you. And this hurts my soul to explain it, but whatever. Ant-Man doesn't have any superpowers. He just has a suit that could shrink him or enlarge him. Either he could choose whatever he wants to do. It's funny though, because he has the same strength as he does as like a full-size person, as he does a little person, which is kind of crazy. I thought that was kind of cool. That was a good idea that Stan Lee did. I wasn't really sure what background to use for this video. I just kind of winged it pretty much. I was aiming towards like an anthill type background, but it's kind of an anthill, but don't worry, this painting still looks really, really good, and I really, really love this painting. If you guys like this video and this painting, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel to help it grow. I'll be right back. Oh, you, come here. I forgot where I was. Comment on what I should do next. Share with your friends and family. Visit my Etsy shop in the link in the description below. Subscribe to his channel. He needs subscribers. And likes. Please. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Let's get to the painting. Let's get painting, guys. I'm sorry, guys. We can fix it. Alright, that about does it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel to help it grow. Comment on what I should do next. Share with your friends and family. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you guys in the next spray painting video.